Hi everyone, thanks for joining Stepping Stones Branding and Marketing. Let's see Black Friday sale, the busiest shopping day of the year. We saw many advertisements last week with the Black Friday sale concept, and you may wonder to see this in India. I will tell you why Black Friday sale is famous now in India. Many of us not noticing or knowing this term. What is Black Friday sale? The term Black Friday sale is informal and the global retailer market their own holiday sale. Black Friday is not an official holiday by the government. Majority of the people taking off from their work and spending time with their family. When it comes, Black Friday is celebrated on 4th Friday of November every year in the US, that is, the following Friday next to the Thanksgiving Day. During this time, many stores open very earlier until midnight of highly promoted sale. In US, Black Friday shopping is one of the busiest shopping day. You know why do they call it as Black Friday sale? Many people believe we call the day after Thanksgiving is Black Friday because many stores become profitable on a huge shopping day and go into the black. Why Black Friday sale is very famous? Christmas festival has been cited as an important factor for this Black Friday sale, and retailers spread out their promotions over the entire month of November and December. In 2015, Amazon.com was the first to offer Black Friday in July deals on what they called Prime Day, promising better deals than on Black Friday. Amazon repeated the practice in 2016 and 17, and other companies began offering similar deals. You know where the word comes from? The phrase Black Friday were cops to describe the heavy pedestrian and vehicular traffic that occurs on the day after Thanksgiving. Since the start of the 21st century, retailers with origins in the US to introduce the retail Black Friday to other countries around the world. Can you imagine? Is retailers really benefit from the Black Friday sale? As this concept became widespread, retailers began to turn a profit and pushed opening times on Black Friday earlier and earlier, eventually reaching midnight before opening on the evening of Thanksgiving. Department stores would use the parades to launch a big advertising push. Retail stores would have liked to have a strong shopping season, but no store wanted to break with the tradition and be the one to start advertising before Thanksgiving. Black Friday is declining in favor of online shopping, and that the coronavirus pandemic has accelerated this process. Fewer people shopped in person on Black Friday 2020, and most business took place online. United States Black Friday sale is now trending in India. Black Friday is a little known in India as its shopping season are different. The busiest time for shopping in India, and hence the time with the biggest discount, tend to be Diwali, followed by regional festivals like Yugadi, Dasra and Pongal in South India, Ganesh Utsav in Maharashtra, and Onam in Kerala. Over the past decades, Independence Day sales have become a large attraction, though most sales in India last for a period of 1 week. The growing number of e-commerce websites and large retail shopping centers has contributed to such sales. The big e-commerce retailer in India are trying to emulate the concept of shopping festival from the United States like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Flipkart, Snapdeal and Amazon have been offering discounted products on the major festivals in India. December witnesses the great online shopping festival for 3 days where people shop from all the major e-commerce players and large FMCG brand. The aim was to bring leading e-commerce player on a single platform and boost online shopping in India. 90% of consumers were satisfied with the exclusive discount offer in Great Online Shopping Festival. According to Google Trends, people show interest on Black Friday sale is rising every year. Comparing the search volume of the keyword Black Friday in November 2012 and November 2013, the increase is almost 50%. Black Friday sale have found its way into the Indian online shopping zone through international websites like Amazon. Here in India, the most required after sale events are around Indian festivals like Dasra, Diwali, Holi, to name a few. Do you think is Cyber Monday bigger than Black Friday? The answer is yes. Cyber Monday is actually now even bigger than Black Friday. Retail sales on Cyber Monday in 2019 climbed to a record high online. Now, Amazon is gearing up for the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale that will be from November 26th to November 30th. More than 70,000 Indian exporters are participating in this international event to showcase their product. On Black Friday last year, Indian exporters saw a year-on-year growth of 76% in the total units sold, and on Cyber Monday, they witnessed 55% year-on-year growth in total units sold. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are significant events marking the beginning of the holiday season in the USA. The e-commerce giant has been working with the Indian exporters to help them identify key holiday shopping trends to bring in relevant products, support them with the logistic solution to get their inventory ready, and guide them to market their products through a range of deals and advertising options. Is Black Friday sale gives more benefit to customer? Black Friday is a good time to go beyond discount and offers more benefits to your customer, such as free shipping, returns, or bonuses. They combine Black Friday deals with their loyalty program and give 2 times more points for purchases made on this day. Coronavirus outbreak is now adding fuel to the Black Friday sale. In the middle of the global outbreak, many physical stores sensibly decided to move Black Friday online. More and more shoppers will now queue in virtual stores this year to avoid close contact. This means a spike in online Black Friday traffic and a lot of potential revenue for e-commerce business of any size. Concluding this video, from 2020, it's only going to get busier, but in a new and unusual way. I will tell you the Black Friday marketing strategy in my next video, which you can apply to your business. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you and have a great day.